Hey, take a look. This is all camera features, modes and settings that you can find on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Let's start from the left side. We can find portrait mode with option to change the background blur effect. Now, when you click here, we can just find some options, but it is actually available in the every mode. So I'm going to focus on the photo mode right now because we can find here more options. So first of all, we can just find flashlight. Next, we can find camera timer from 2 to 10 seconds. We can also change the aspect ratio, 3:4, 9:6, 1:1, or for example, we can find full. Next, we can find 12 and 50 megapixel photo mode. As you can see, there's the first difference. When you turn on the 50 megapixel mode, you cannot use these filters, but for the 12, you can actually use them. And we can find few of them. For each one, we are able to change strength of this filter. Now, by going back, we can also find another option. This is the face retouch option, so smoothness and stuff like this. Now, when you go into the video mode, we can find following options. There's no way to change, for example, the stabilization. And over here, we can change resolution, for HD and full HD mode. Then, by going into the more modes, what you can find here, camera pro mode, with all of those parameters to adjust. Now, when you go back from this one, we can find night mode, photo mode, camera panorama mode, slow motion, and we can also find the hyperlapse. It's available just over here. And that's actually everything for this smartphone when we talk about features and modes. And now let me show you all the settings. So we got the scene optimizer, QR code scanner, swipe shutter button to take a series of the photo or create GIFs. We can find a watermark that we can customize like we want, HEAF photo format, camera mirroring, the same for videos, that format, HDR, grid lines, location tags, and the shotting methods we can change function of the volume buttons to take a picture, record video, zoom in or out, floating shutter button and show the palm of the hand to take the photo, settings to keep like camera mode, selfie angle, high picture, resolution mode, filters, and at the bottom we can simply reset the camera settings. And that's everything for the camera on this smartphone.